Good morning everyone. We are going to tackle about the role of assessment in student learning. First, we are going to define assessment process of gathering data better to understand strengths and weaknesses of student learning. Next is type of assessment. All of the different assessment type work together to provide a complete, valid, reliable, and fair picture of a student abilities. So now we are going to talk about the assessment. So first assessment is about summative assessment. It measures student achievement at the end of instruction. Second is the authentic assessment. Describe the multiple forms of assessment that reflect student learning achievement, motivation, and attitude on the instructionally relevant classroom activities. Diagnostic assessment can help identify student current knowledge of a subject, their skill set, and capabilities, and to clarify misconception before teaching takes place. So here is the third assessment. Next is importance of assessment. First, to find out what the student knowledge, to find out what the student can do, how well they can do it. It's about skill and performance. And last is to find out how students feel about their work. So this is the motivation and effort. Next is the role of assessment. This assessment plays a constant role in informing instruction, guiding the student next step, and checking progress and achievement. That's all everyone. Thank you for listening.